Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a new feature that we have added to your Genesis Now system. We have now added a rewrite checkbox to the policy screen. We have also added a rewrite commission option to user setup. This will change the way commission is calculated if the user is set up with a different commission amount for rewrites versus new and renewal policies. So let me demonstrate this for you. I'm going to go into my client here, my pretend client, Jerry White. And here we have his policy. And if Jerry was to cancel his policy and I wanted to rewrite it, all I would need to simply do now is click the rewrite, save it, and now that would be commissioned differently if that applied. I know sometimes policies will cancel and agencies will rewrite them. So that's where this is going to come in handy. Now, to look at the commissions, you go to Users, All Users, and you can set this up differently for each one of your users. We'll go into Shelley Works Hard. And you can see here, now we can apply a rewrite percentage or a dollar amount. Once we have it how we want it, we always save. And if it's going to apply differently to different users, you can also make those changes here under the user. I hope this helps with any type of rewrite policy you do. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.